Okay, the video's already on.
Okay, here's the scene.
There's one. Okay, just do one.
No, do two. They're gonna do it. They're gonna do it.
Okay, there we go. Crouch.
Yeah.
No, not yet.
No, not yet. Get away. Okay. Go.
See?
Go.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Here, cut. You see it?
It has to think about how to get it. God. Oh. I'm quite sure it knows it's there. It's not looking. I have to do it again. Okay. Seed? Head? It doesn't see it. Because now you have to face the other way. Oh. Almost. Okay. Look down a little bit so it sees where it is.
Come on. He's eating everything else.
It's like, that's too difficult.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Okay, there you go.
Crouch into one thing here.
He can see it. He should be able to see it. Oh. Yeah, those are scraps. You can get a big whole kernel seed if you fly onto Ashley's head. For later. Oh, there you go.
Oh, don't go away from my hand.
Yeah. It doesn't like the head.
Here, is it there?
It's there still. Yeah.
Okay,
I'm gonna put your tooth down.
Let's
So make it more.
make it a little more apparent.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to make it stand up. Oh, it came close. Crouch a little bit. Oh, I got it. I got it. I got it. Yeah, on the 5th minute.